listed down the best budget laptop for video editing and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Price information and links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, blumoo.com. Number 3. Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5. If you're comfortable with using a Chromebook, then there isn't any reason why you should not be using the Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5. This laptop is stylish and perfect for creative tasks, and as it's under $500, it's budget-friendly too. The Flex 5 offers the latest 10th gen Intel Core i3-10110U processor, and as it's one of the latest processors, you're bound to get more performance than usual. It has 4GB of DDR4 RAM and 64GB of SSD storage. Though the storage is a bit low, you can get your work done anyway. As the Flex 5 is mainly a 2-in-1 laptop, it combines a keyboard and touchscreen to make it easy to interact with everything on your display. It also has a built-in webcam and a good selection of ports, including 2 USB Type-C ports and a USB Type-A port. The Flex 5 has a 13-inch FHD display. It has a slim and light body, and because of this, it's one of the most portable laptops on this list. It has a 360-degree convertible hinge that transforms it into a tablet in a moment. The battery life of this laptop is great too, with 10 hours of backup on a full charge. However, if you're a professional, then we wouldn't recommend this laptop for you. It's a perfect laptop for those who are just starting to get into video editing. Number 2. Lenovo IDEAPAD Gaming 3. Here is a budget-friendly gaming laptop which will get you through all your heavy video editing tasks. The laptop comes with a great 15.6-inch FHD display, which is excellent for video editing and making the most of the software that you use. Since you have great screen real estate, you can stay productive no matter what you're doing. Incidentally, the AMD Ryzen 5 4600H CPU on this laptop will make for good multi-core performance, which you need in most video editing apps. The 8GB of RAM and the 512GB internal SSD ensures that you have ample storage for your projects and quick access to them too. To help with graphics and 3D designing, the GTX 1650 Ti GPU comes rather handy. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. To get the fastest and the most responsive speed, the MacBook Pro is equipped with one of the latest quad-core Intel i7 2.6 GHz processors, which can be boosted all the way up to 4.8 GHz. The Turbo Boost feature is something that really helps during the long video rendering hours. It will withstand the longest and the most demanding tasks any video editor can face. Even though the MacBook Pro 16-inch is quite big, it's very thin and lightweight. Yet, there is an Intel HD Graphics 630 that works very well in combination with the processor. There's also 16GB of RAM memory for the quickest speed at any given moment. Combine it with a 512GB SSD storage, and you will get a laptop that boots within seconds and is ready to get some work done in less than a minute. It has a Retina display that offers a resolution of 3072 by 1920p, which is incredibly precise for video editing. No matter if you're working during the day, night, indoors, or even outdoors, the Retina display will always optimize well to your surroundings and provide you with the best brightness and colors to prevent your eyes from becoming tired. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.